My name is Kurt Lloyd, and I'm a trial lawyer with the Lloyd Law Group in Chicago, Illinois. Today, my quick takes topic is presenting expert witness testimony using published hearsay documents. Perhaps as a trial attorney, you've had the experience where you presented an expert witness and his opinion to a jury, and after the trial, the jury really found the expert not memorable, not believable, or simply didn't care much or the expert didn't have any impact. Today, I'm here to show you how, by using published hearsay documents, you can increase the memorability of the expert's opinion, the credibility of the expert, and increase the weight or authority of the expert's opinion, all using hearsay documents. Number one, let's talk about memorability. What makes an expert memorable? In today's fast-paced, media-driven society, juries have about a 2-minute attention span. They're easily distracted or thinking about their own ideas. What you want to do when your expert hits the stand is quickly ask him his name, his profession, ask him, for example, if he's a doctor, whether he's licensed, and is he board certified. You should be able to get that out of the expert in about 30 seconds, perhaps certainly less than a minute. Then you want to immediately ask the expert whether he's formed an opinion to a reasonable degree of certainty in this case and what that opinion is. The reason you do this within the first 2 minutes of him hitting the stand is that the jury still is paying attention. And if nothing else, they remember what he said and why he's on the stand before they start daydreaming. So the expert, as long as you qualify him with his opinion, with his qualifications and his background, you can then go back later in his testimony and fill in all his important teaching positions and academic publications, etc., but get his opinion out in the first 2 minutes. In this way, you'll have an expert who has a memorable opinion. The second step in presenting an expert witness using published hearsay documents is to build his credibility. How do you do that? When the expert's on the stand, after you've gotten his opinion out of him, have him review his complete file in front of the jury. Specifically, ask the witness, at my request, what documents have you reviewed? If you have all the documents in the case in the expert's file and he lists them, he's not going to be criticized for having missed something, having done an incomplete review. Simply have him list the depositions he's read, the witness statements he was provided, the police report, any photographs. This makes the expert look complete. Then ask the expert, from those documents, doctor, what did you find significant? The expert, you should have already prepared to point to a statement in a deposition, a question and an answer, or a statement in a police report. And he then tells the jury that these are the bases of his opinion. What are you doing? You're showing that the expert actually read the file and thought about what was the basis of his opinion. And you're having the expert read to the jury from those documents. Actually read hearsay statements to the jury that support his opinion. In this way, you build the credibility of the witness. The third step is the weight of the expert's opinion. When presenting an expert witness using published documents, you want to use the documents to increase the weight or authority of his opinion. You do this by showing that he's read the entire file, that he's reviewed every document in that file, that he's chosen the documents that are important as the basis for his opinion. He's chosen the documents that are not important for the basis of his opinion, and he's formed a considered, thoughtful opinion. In this way, the jury will give more weight to his opinion, and you will have increased the likelihood that they'll give more weight to his opinion. Hopefully today, by following these 3 steps, memorability, credibility, and weight of opinion, the next time you present an expert witness at trial, his opinion will be impactful. For more information on presenting expert witness testimony using published hearsay documents, please view my full presentation recorded during the Foundations, Evidence, and Objections program and available in the ISBA CLE archives. Also, during my presentation, there was an extensive PowerPoint slide presentation. For those slides, contact me at the address below.